Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Debugging file handling in QBasic, a comprehensive guide with examples. File handling in QBasic, while relatively simple compared to modern languages, can still present debugging challenges. Common issues include incorrect file paths, improper file modes, logical errors in data manipulation, and unexpected file closures. This tutorial will delve deep into debugging file handling in QBasic, covering common errors, debugging techniques, and practical examples. 1. Understanding file handling fundamentals in QBasic. Before diving into debugging, let's recap the core concepts of file handling in QBasic. File modes. These determine how a file is opened and what operations can be performed on it. Crucially, choosing the wrong mode can lead to runtime errors or unexpected behavior. Input. Opens a file for reading only. The file must exist. Output. Opens a file for writing. If the file exists, its contents are overwritten. If it doesn't exist, it's created. Append. Opens a file for writing, adding data to the end of the file. If the file doesn't exist, it's created. Random. Opens a file for both reading and writing, allowing access to data at specific record numbers. Requires defining a record length. File handles. QBasic uses numerical file handles, 1, 2, 3, etc., to identify open files. You associate a handle with the file name when you open the file. Essential statements. Open. Opens a file. Syntax: open file name for mode as handle. Close. Closes a file. Syntax: close handle, or close to close all open files. Input. Reads a fixed number of characters from the file. Syntax: input length, handle. Line. Input. Reads an entire line from the file into a string variable. Syntax: line input handle, variable. Print. Writes data to a file. Syntax: print handle, data. Get. Reads a record from a random access file. Syntax: get handle, record _number, variable. Put. Writes a record to a random access file. Syntax: put handle, record _number, variable. EOF, handle a function that returns -1, true, if the end of the file associated with the handle has been reached, and 0, false, otherwise. 2. Common file handling errors and their causes. Knowing the common pitfalls is half the battle in debugging. File not found, error 53. Cause. The specified file doesn't exist at the provided path. Solutions. Verify the file path is correct, case sensitive on some systems. Ensure the file actually exists in the specified location. If the file should be created, use the output or append mode. Check for typos in the file name. Bad file mode, error 54. Cause. You're trying to perform an operation that's not allowed in the mode the file was opened with. For example, trying to write to a file opened in input mode. Solutions. Review the open statement to ensure the correct mode is used. If both reading and writing are needed, use random mode. Bad file number, error 5. Cause. You're trying to access a file using a file handle that hasn't been assigned by an open statement, or the file has already been closed. Solutions. Asterisk make sure you open the file before you try to read from or write to it. Asterisk ensure the file handle number in your input, print, close, etc. statements matches the handle used in the open statement. Asterisk if you close a file, you can't use its handle again until you open another file with that handle. Asterisk input past end, error 4. Asterisk cause asterisk you're trying to read past the end of the file when using input or line input. Asterisk solutions asterisk. Asterisk use the EOF, handle, function to check if the end of the file has been reached before attempting to read. Asterisk correct any logic that might cause an infinite loop trying to read past the file's end. Asterisk disk full asterisk. Asterisk cause asterisk not enough space on the disk to write to the file. Asterisk solutions asterisk. Asterisk ensure sufficient disk space is available. Asterisk delete unnecessary files. Asterisk if the program is creating a large file, consider alternative storage solutions. Asterisk illegal function call, error 5. Asterisk cause asterisk this can be a more generic error, but in file handling, it can sometimes be caused by attempting to use a reserved character in a file name that isn't allowed on the OS. Asterisk solutions asterisk. Asterisk review the file name used in the open statement. Asterisk avoid using characters like backslash, slash, colon, asterisk, and in file names. Asterisk type mismatch, error 13, more common with random access. Asterisk cause asterisk trying to read a data type from a random access file that doesn't match the type of the variable you're reading into. Asterisk solutions asterisk. Asterisk carefully define the record structure when using random access. Make sure the order and types of the variables you're reading match the structure of the data in the file. 3. Debugging techniques in QBasic. QBasic's debugging tools are limited compared to modern IDEs, but they're effective when used strategically. Asterisk print statements, the old faithful. Asterisk use print statements strategically to display the values of variables, the flow of execution, and the results of file operations. For example, asterisk add print statements before and after each file-related operation, open, close, input, print, etc., to confirm they are executing as expected. Print the value of variables immediately after reading from the file to confirm it's reading the correct data. Asterisk error handling with onError goto asterisk. Asterisk use onError goto to create an error handler. This allows you to catch errors, display error messages, and potentially recover gracefully. Asterisk example. Asterisk err contains the error code, and ERL contains the line number where the error occurred. Resume next can be used to continue execution at the next line after the error, but be very cautious using this, as it can lead to unpredictable behavior if the error isn't properly handled. Asterisk stepping through code, F8. Asterisk press F8 to execute your code line by line. This lets you observe the order of execution and the values of variables as they change. This is particularly useful for identifying logic errors. Asterisk breakpoints, F9. Asterisk place breakpoints in your code by pressing F9. When you run the program, execution will pause at the breakpoint, allowing you to examine the program state. This is great for pinpointing where things start going wrong. Asterisk watch expressions, Ctrl+W. Asterisk use the watch window, Ctrl+W, to monitor the values of specific variables as the program executes. This is helpful for tracking data flow and identifying unexpected changes. Asterisk using the immediate window asterisk. Asterisk the immediate window, accessible by pressing Ctrl+I, lets you execute QBasic commands directly. You can use it to inspect variables, test file operations, and execute code snippets in real time. For example, you could print EOF1 to check if the end of file 1 has been reached. Asterisk commenting out code asterisk. Asterisk use apostrophes to comment out sections of code. This allows you to isolate the part of your program that's causing the error. Start by commenting out large chunks of code and gradually narrow down the problem area. 4. Debugging examples with code. Let's look at some practical examples with debugging strategies. Example 1, file not found. Debugging asterisk. 1. Run the program if data.txt doesn't exist, you'll get file not found, error 53. 2. Solution 1, check the file name and path asterisk, make sure the file name and path are correct. Data.txt should be in the same directory as the QBasic program, or you need to specify the full path. Example open c:\my folder \data.txt for input as 1. Remember that on older systems, file paths may need to use the 8.3 format. 3. Solution 2, create the file, if appropriate. If the file should be created automatically, change the mode to output or append. This will create the file if it doesn't exist, but output will overwrite it if it does. 4. Solution 3, add error handling asterisk. Example 2, input past end. Debugging asterisk. 1. Run the program if data.txt is a small file and something is off in the logic, you might not get an input past end error. However, let's assume you modified the program to try to read a specific number of lines, and you're exceeding the file's content. 2. The problem asterisk, the program should stop reading when it reaches the end of the file. The EOF1 function is intended to prevent reading past the end, but if there's a flaw in the loop logic, example the loop condition is incorrect, or if the file is unexpectedly short, the error could occur. 3. Solution 1, carefully review the loop condition asterisk, ensure the EOF1 function is being used correctly in the loop condition. The loop should continue while not EOF1 is true, meaning the end of the file has not been reached. 4. Solution 2, add a counter, for extra safety. If you need to read a specific number of lines, add a counter and break out of the loop if the end of the file is reached before the counter limit. 5. Solution 3, file content check. Sometimes there are hidden characters in the text file that cause the EOF function to not work as expected. Resave the file, using Notepad or a text editor, in a plain text format with LF line endings may solve it. Example 3, random access file with type mismatch. Debugging asterisk. 1. Run the program if you get a type mismatch error when reading, especially after modifying the program, it means the data you're reading from the file doesn't match the person type definition. 2. The problem asterisk, the error often arises when the file people.dat already exists with data written using a different person type, example different string lengths, different order of fields. 3. Solution 1, ensure consistent type definitions asterisk, the type definition must be the same when writing and reading. This is critical for random access files. 4. Solution 2, delete the file. For testing, if you're testing or debugging, delete the people.dat file before running the program. This ensures a fresh start with the current type definition. 5. Solution 3, debug with print. Inside a loop, if necessary, use print statements to display the values being written to the file and then immediately after being read. This will help pinpoint if the data is being corrupted. 6. Solution 4, field length errors asterisk, a very common error with random access file is mismatching the size of a string. If you changed the string size, you have to delete the file people.dat because the data is stored with the old size. 5. General debugging tips for QBasic. Start small. When writing file handling programs, build them incrementally. Start with a simple program that opens a file and writes a single line, then add more functionality gradually, testing each step along the way. Keep it simple. Avoid overly complex logic, especially in the early stages of development. Simpler code is easier to debug. Read the documentation. Refer to the QBasic help documentation for details on file handling statements and functions. Take breaks. If you're stuck on a particularly frustrating bug, step away from the computer for a while. A fresh perspective can often help you spot the problem. Use a version control system. Although it might seem overkill for small QBasic programs, using a version control system, like Git, can be helpful for tracking changes and reverting to previous working versions if you make a mistake. Test thoroughly. Test your program with different input files, including empty files, very large files, and files with unusual characters, to ensure it handles all cases correctly. Don't assume that your code is working correctly. Actively test and verify each part of your program to catch errors early. Check error codes. When an error occurs, pay attention to the error code. This code provides valuable information about the type of error and can help you narrow down the cause. Understand data encoding. When dealing with text files, be aware of the character encoding, example ASCII, UTF-8. Incorrect encoding can lead to unexpected results. QBasic primarily works with ASCII. By understanding these debugging techniques and common errors, you'll be well equipped to tackle file handling challenges in QBasic and create robust and reliable programs. Remember to use a systematic approach, test frequently, and don't be afraid to experiment.